Hello viewers, this is Kanis Rahman. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I made some fried rice in a Thai style. So in this video, I'll tell you guys what ingredients makes this Thai fried rice so special. For this cooking, I need some leftover white rice. You can cook it, just don't make it so soft. And I prefer jasmine rice. This is so good. Second, a bowl of shrimp. Third, air fried chili paste. I bought a jar. If you like, you can make it at home. Just fry the dry red pepper and garlic together. Verified butter, sesame oil. This oil will make that flavorful dishes. Here is some onion, and I had a garlic in the oil, so I took 4 slices. Ginger about half tablespoon. Here I also like sesame oil and also seed for my flavor. Black pepper, a lime. Final and the main ingredients is sweet basil leaf. Believe it or not, this is the main theme for the Thai fried rice. And also there is a 2 basil leaf. One is sweet basil leaf and another one is Thai basil leaf. One time I told my husband buy the Thai basil leaf. I thought that this leaf, but it wasn't. It was mint, also called Thai basil leaf. So when you're buying, buy the sweet basil leaf. Now I heat my pan. I dropped about 2 spoons of garlic and pepper paste. It's in a oil, so I use that oil minimum because I'm gonna use some clarified butter for creamy flavor. And also I chopped my garlic and drop into my pan, and then I add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of clarified butter and saute until fried. When I see the oils getting up, then I add the shrimp and saute until the shrimp gets fried. Adding salt to taste, and then I'm adding the sweet basil leaf for the nice aroma. I drop about 4 to 5 leaves in there, and then I add the onion slices. In this cooking, the restaurant people don't fry the onion with the oil. They just fry the onion with the rice, so you can get the sweet texture from onion in rice. Here is 2 teaspoons of sugar to taste, and then mix first with the shrimp. And now I'm adding my leftover rice. I cook it in a rice cooker, that's why it stick together. If you don't like it, then cook it in a stove and drain the water, so that way your rice not gonna sticky. But by this time I'm frying, the sugar melted with the rice, and also the lime juice will separate the rice from each other. And now fry your rice with medium-high flame with all the seasoning. After 5 minutes of frying, I'm adding the lime juice, grind some black pepper, some sesame seeds. Now here is the worst part, to mix it up together. I tried my rice and I think I need some more salt and some more sugar because this rice should be sweet and soury and also spicy. So I add another 2 spoons of sugar, so it's total 4 teaspoons I used. Finally, I'm adding the sesame oil. It's about 1.5 tablespoons and fried in a low flame. Here is my fried rice is done. I know there is lots of ingredients, but each ingredient makes this fried rice so flavorful, so yummy. I wish you will try to cook at home and enjoy this shrimp fried rice. Let me know how you like it in my comment. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for the next cooking video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.